Your kidneys are crying for help. 5 fruits that can save your life right now. Inside your body, your kidneys are filtering every drop of your blood, removing toxins that could kill you in hours if they build up. But here's the shocking truth. By age 40, most people have already lost 20% of their kidney function without even knowing it. What's worse, the breakfast you ate this morning might be silently destroying your kidneys. I am your host from NutriNook, and today, I am revealing groundbreaking research about 5 powerful fruits that could literally save your kidneys and your life. Did you know there's a common summer fruit that contains a compound so powerful it can reduce kidney disease death risk by 22%? Or that a tiny berry you probably have in your fridge right now contains the exact same compound that expensive kidney medications use? These aren't just fruits, they're nature's kidney medicine, and science is finally catching up to what traditional healers have known for centuries. Kidney importance. Your kidneys are incredible organs that filter 150 quarts of blood daily, remove toxins and waste, balance crucial minerals, control blood pressure, activate vitamin D for bone health. But here's the frightening part. You can lose up to 90% of kidney function before showing any symptoms. That's why prevention is crucial, and it starts with what you eat. The 5 powerful fruits. 1. Watermelon, the kidney cleanser. Scientific research shows watermelon contains 92% water for natural kidney cleansing, citrulline for blood flow improvement, lycopene that reduced death risk by 22% in kidney patients, only 1 milligram of kidney stone-causing oxalates. 2. Blueberries, the protector. Studies reveal blueberries have 9,019 antioxidants per cup, anthocyanins that prevent kidney disease, anti-inflammatory compounds, natural kidney protective properties. 3. Cranberries, the UTI fighter. Research confirms cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, PACs, for infection prevention, 35% reduction in UTI risk, natural hydration properties, anti-inflammatory compounds. 4. Grapes, the antioxidant powerhouse. Clinical studies show grapes provide resveratrol for kidney protection, improved kidney filtration rates, cancer-fighting properties, natural diuretic effects. 5. Apples, the daily defender. Research proves apples offer pectin for toxin removal, quercetin for blood pressure control, fiber for kidney stone prevention, anti-inflammatory benefits. Practical implementation. Here's your daily kidney protection plan. Morning, start with watermelon for natural cleansing. Mid-morning, apple for sustained protection. Lunch, add cranberries to your salad. Afternoon, handful of grapes. Evening, blueberries for overnight repair. Remember, stay hydrated with 8 to 10 glasses of water daily for optimal kidney function. Your kidneys are working right now to keep you alive, but they need your help. Start protecting them today with these scientifically proven fruits. In next week's NutriNook video, I'll reveal the common foods that are secretly damaging your kidneys. Hit subscribe so you don't miss this crucial information. Your kidney health can't wait. It starts with your very next